Today I need some help from someone that's ran into this before, some of you old timers, some of you commercial work guys. So here's my issue. First of all, I washed this whole side of this church, okay, and that little parapet wall, whatever you want to call it. Bad that is. I first shot 2% up there and it didn't cut it, so I put 6% up there, and I was thinking that edge was organic, so when it didn't come clean I knew I was going to have to get a detergent out. So I'm going to show you what I used. Alright, so from left to right, this is the order that I used on that strip. That none of these touched it. This is Gutter Zap. It is pre-mixed 50-50, so the rest of it I ran straight. Then I tried LA Awesome straight, nothing. Zep Citrus, nothing. I tried Dragon Juice, you can see the bag. I tried Dragon Juice full strength, 0. Then I hit it with aluminum brightener. All these have been brushed too, nothing. Then I got the big dog out, 1 restore, nothing. That's all of them put up straight except the Gutter Zap and brushed, and I got nothing. Not even a little bit started to come off. Now the one good thing about this whole job is you can see that the roof, check out the roof, how dirty it is. Now you can see where my overspray got on part of the roof. I told him that was going to happen. I hope you can see that in the photo here, or the video. So you see how that bottom edge is nice and clean. Well, the guy came up and paid me, and I showed him that, and I'd already told him that that was going to happen. And so they want me to come back and do the whole roof. So it is considerable, just the north side. But anyway, so that's one good thing. I would like to find a product to take that black mark off there, so when I do the roof I can do that too. But I don't know if there's a product out there. Maybe it just needs painting. It actually looks stained, and when I rub the brush on it, it feels like it's like flat. It's not slick. It feels like it's grabbing my brush. So anyway, if you guys have anything you know, in your bag of tricks, let me know. I'd appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.